Hello and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a flowchart using office shapes. Here's the basic information that we're going to start off with. We're going to make toast. So let's begin. Insert, shapes. And I'm going to use, instead of using this flowchart rounded rectangle, I'm going to use this one because with this one you can round the corners a little bit more. So it's just going to go like that. Shape fill will be green. Okay, that'll be the start. And you can go right click, add text. So I'll just type in start and I change the font to white right here. And I'm going to make it bold and I'm just going to use a different font here and make it larger. So I'm going to say copy and then paste, and then this is going to be the finish. Shape format, make it red. So we're going to check if the toaster's plugged in. Shapes, take the first rectangle here. I'm going to make this yellow. Shape format yellow. And we're going to make the font black. So just add text. That's good. That's our first process. Then we're going to have a yes and no decision. So that will be insert shapes, and it'll be this diamond shape. It's also available here. Let's use this one. Okay. And I think for this one, shape format, just make it purple. Right click, add text. Is toaster plugged in? Make that a little bit bigger. So I made this symbol here. This is just a wingding, and this is just a circle. So go insert, shapes, and I use their circle here at the bottom. With shape format, shape fill. We're going to make it orange. And then for here, add text. Go add text, and then go and select for the font wingdings. I already have it up here because I selected it before. And then you go Shift D or Shift C, depending if it's an up or down. So just wait, sorry. I'm gonna go here, wingdings, Shift C. And so that's a yes, an up, thumbs up. Okay. And then we're gonna create another one. Copy, paste, and I'm just going to delete this and go Shift D, which is thumbs down. Make that white. So that stands for no. So if it's plugged in, then we add bread. Copy, paste. Add bread. Copy this, paste. Depress lever. Bread go into the toaster and turns on the toaster as well. Then we have another one, is toast ready? Yes. Then we'll have a remove process. Okay. So I'm going to say copy, paste, and I'm just going to make this white. So let's just say, is bread toasted? So they're all together. Copy. And put it here. Remove toast. So back to here. If it's not plugged in, then we're going to need copy another thing here. Plug in toaster. Is toast ready? Yes. Remove. Yes. If it is, I'm going to add another copy. Okay. If it's not, I can make these smaller too, I suppose. If it's not ready, then we wait. Copy, paste. I could put this over here like this. This will be remove toast. This one will be wait. Wait. Okay. And then we'll have an arrow going back here. And then this will be, okay, so if it's not, plug it in, then that'll go back there as well. All right, so now we can add our arrows here. Insert shapes. This one here. And I'm going to make this shape format black. Okay. This goes here. Insert shape. And take this one. We'll use this one. Like that. Okay, now we're going to get these shapes some 3D style. Just going to shift and select. Go to shape format, shape effects, bevel, select round. Then you can go into the format shape. It just went off screen here. Let's bring it back. And you can go create some width and some height. Like that. All of this stuff we don't need. So everything's still working how it should. Yes, it looks like it. So select all the arrows. And put some shadow on there. Shape effects. Like that. You can put a background if you wanted. Take a rectangle. Send to back. And maybe for the color a little bit brighter. Insert shapes. How to make toast. Make that center. Then I'm going to go into shape format quickly. Shape outline, make it black, and then give it some weight. Let's do that. And then I'm going to give it shape effects, bevel, just to make it nicer. Make it stand out.